how to get UTR number online HMRC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You will receive your UTR number either when you set up a limited company or register for self-assessment. It usually takes around 15 days after you register, but you can often see it sooner by logging into your personal tax account, which you should have already created, or by using the HMRC app. You can also find it on previous tax returns and other HMRC documents. Just look at the top of the letter. It's also sometimes referred to as a tax reference. If you still can't find it, you'll need to get help by contacting HMRC. You can do this by calling the self-assessment helpline. The correct number will be in the description of the video. The HMRC will then post your UTR to you, and this usually takes around 15 days again. If you need UTR number for a private limited company, you can request your corporation tax UTR number online. The HMRC will send it to your business's registered address. In this case, you'll need your company registration number, which you can find by searching your company on Google and checking the official HMRC website. You'll also need your registered company name. You cannot request a copy of your corporation tax UTR if your company is officially closed, dissolved, struck off, no longer on the company's house register, or has changed to a different type of organization. The UTR will be sent to your company's registered address. Before starting, you can also check your corporation tax UTR in your business tax account if you're already registered for online tax services. It may also be attached to your profile or found in previous letters where the UTR is clearly displayed. So that's basically how you can get UTR number online HMRC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.